Welcome back, guys. Today we're just going to be working on a customer's car. Again, I haven't really had chance to really do mine. I've been very busy working on people's cars, but if you look, we're doing the starlights. Again, it did take a while, but guys, the complexity of just taking the headliner off and just removing the bumper, it was really difficult just because the customer had existing work on it, and anytime you work on anybody's work, it's a little hard because you have to understand how they did it and why they did it. For example, if you see they didn't seal this and you got corrosion, and that's not supposed to happen. For me, the fun part was the headlights. Again, I really enjoy customizing these with the whole Marvel theme, Wolverine and Iron Man. But if you look, guys, again, it's not easy. You have literally 1,100 stars. I believe maybe 900 are in the main one, and 200 or 300 are in the trunk. But again, it's very complicated because you're literally poking little holes and putting one by one, and it's I don't even want to think about it. But like I said, it's very can't even think of the word, but it's very satisfying once it's done. I know on my Instagram and my older social medias, I messed around about saying that it's like a female's hair. I mean, no offense, sorry if I offend anybody, but again, it's just a joke. But yeah, if you guys ever try it, again, I enjoy just cutting this all in one piece. I kind of need to stop listening to music when I'm doing these videos, man, because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. But again, this is just a voiceover. But I mean, this is how it looks like when you don't cut it. You just have a bunch of strings lighting up. But again, just the fact you put 1,100 starlights, you have to cut 1,100 starlights. Again, it's very time consuming, guys, but at the end of the day, it was worth it. But yeah, guys, once it's done and you cut all of them, it should look something like this. Again, the main focus was the logo, but besides that, everything else came out really nice. It's weird because I had a customer with the same car, not the same car, but a different car, that he got starlights, and for some reason they didn't cut the strings or whatever. They left like about an inch sticking out, which is very odd. I don't see why anybody would do that. But yeah, guys, and I know my videos are a little bit messy, guys. You don't have to tell me, but again, this is the other car that I got. Again, that same day I just had to install some headlights. They're already pre-built from Lighting Trends. Again, check them out. Again, they're really cool. It's just, I'll probably recommend always putting a kill switch. Never let these things run every day. But if you guys, like I said, want more videos of me installing them and tips and stuff like that, let me know. Leave your comment down because I read them. I consider anything that you guys recommend. But if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, man. It really helps me a lot. But yeah, guys, I think enough of this 300. Let's go back to the great charger. Alright, guys, so the other thing we did install is these rings on the wheels. Again, I had to turn off the light just to see how good they look like. Again, it looks really nice. It's something I personally wouldn't do, but again, I can see why somebody would like something like this. It's just really flashy, especially with car shows. But again, I wouldn't rock them. But yeah, guys, after looking at these instructions and everything, boy, they did not make it easy. I wish they can make it more simple to understand, but we got them ready, and I'll definitely explain to the customer how to go by if he wants to change the brakes. They make it where these things are over the caliper, so it's not going to be easy to change the brakes if you guys decide to do these types of work. But yeah, guys, we took the car to just a car wash just to get some good lighting. Again, they rain a little bit, but I just had to make sure the LEDs on the rim weren't touching or anything like that. So always have to test it before the customer picks it up. Alright, guys, so check it out. I'm not sure the year, but I know it's like 11 through 14. So what we did is the customer did request to get these redone because I guess the strips went out, so we replaced those. And anytime you do flow series, we always recommend putting a kill switch. That way they're not operating and staying on the whole time connected to the fuse or the battery. Okay, that way it extends the life of the LEDs. Second thing we did is we also did the X halo, and we did a projector lens etching. We also did put a design in there too. We blacked it out. The other side we put the Iron Man. You know, I'm team Iron Man. I don't know about you guys, but now most people do ask, if I blacked it out, then how are you gonna do turn signals? Well, that's one cool thing about these X halos. You can actually make these function as your turn signals. So I'll definitely show that in a bit. I believe the third thing we also did was put the LED on the actual rims, all four. What else? We also redid the wiring because the wiring was really I guess I wouldn't say messed up, but it just wasn't done properly, just because most of the cables weren't properly sealed and you got corrosion. So we wanted to properly seal that. So if we look, we put the custom badge. Again, that thing looks clean. Any color you want, guys, any design, doesn't matter. So yeah, we do custom badge. We put a kill switch right here, and we made it where we connected this kill switch to every LED light. That way it's not randomly turning on, because the issue that he was can't even talk right. The issue that he was getting is that it would just randomly turn on random times. Like literally, I remember I'll be like maybe 2 in the morning, and my one of my family members were like, "Hey, your LEDs are on," and I'm like, "What?" I had to go in there, turn it off, and same thing morning. It happened multiple times, so maybe that's not a good thing, especially if you're driving or you're not trying to get pulled over. You don't want these lights to kick in right away, especially if you're doing like red or blue or anything like that. So we made a kill switch specially for it. So as soon as we did install this, all this right here we didn't do, but we can definitely do. I guess this was already in the car. Same thing with the underglow, all that we can do. But again, we just rewired everything, so stuff like that we can definitely do, guys. And we did the star lights, which you can't see, but let me flicker the switch or turn on switch on. There we go. See, it glows red, which is really nice. But yeah, you see how this all turned on, that, and then we got the star lights. Again, I'm gonna turn it off, on. Again, it's just a really nice feature to have. Again, this logo that you're seeing, guys, it's on there. It's kind of hard to tell just because, again, just the angle I have it. But let me see, if I go this way, you can see a little bit of the Morpaw logo. I think it's the symbol piece, if I'm not mistaken. Don't get me wrong, guys, don't hate me. And then we got the Mopar logo. But yeah, also by turning on that switch, you also do get the function in the trunk as well. So we did that as well. So check this thing out, guys. Again, that is nice. Again, these are actually 1,100 starlights, guys. There's the mechanism right there. I think I might just have to put electricity tape all over just to cover it up. But yeah, that's it. We go into here. There's the starlights. There's the logo. Again, 1,100 starlights, guys. So also that switch does turn on this as well, which is really nice. And then this right here, again, this is already in the car. We got the fog lights as well. Now this is one thing I don't like about this right here. So in order for him to turn on the rim halos and other stuff, he has to literally turn on these boxes, which it's annoying because I already connect them to the kill switch. You would assume this would turn on, but it doesn't. You have to go here and manually turn it on. And you see, by doing that, now you get these on, and you get these on as well. Again, you can change it to any color through an app. Everything. The only reason you put the kill switch so the receivers and the modems are not on the whole time, but this is all functional on the app. But you see, you got the grill light. You got that. Again, this came out really nice, guys. Again, there's that. There it is. Yeah, there's that right there. So again, it's really nice, guys. So like I said, you can change it any other color. Let me see if I can change it real quick. All right, check it out, guys. See that? That's synced with that. Same thing with that right there. More like a cop theme, really, if you really think about it. But you got the floor show modes. You got the demon eye as well with the lens etching. But yeah, guys. This is the thing we've been working on almost 3 weeks. It would have been sooner, but the thing is that he had to get the. While I was doing the wiring, he was suggesting that I wire the LED rings for the rims, whatever they're called. That way he doesn't have to take it to the other shop, and like I said, that way it can be done right. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. They wire some stuff right, but again, if these things are going to be outside, might as well put some kind of electricity grease over them so they don't get corroded. But yeah, guys. I think that's about it for tonight. Except customer's coming today to pick it up. But yeah, guys, he's coming tonight to pick it up. I'm just getting the car all ready and set to go. But yeah, if you guys are interested, again, always DM me on Facebook or Instagram, 4K Custom. But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, let me know. Leave your comment down below. If you guys like me doing anything like this, let me know. Or do you guys want to focus just more on the purple charger and the journeys that we've been going through? But yeah, just because I guess I don't have a lot of stuff going on, just work and this stuff. Like I said, hopefully the popular I get, the more I get to do more stuff. But at the moment, it's all just small installations, headlights, work cars. Back in the day, I never had this many cars, but now I'm starting to get more and more clients. So if you guys want to see more of that, again, leave a thumbs up, share, like, and I'll definitely show more, guys. And like I said, if you guys want any tips or clues, I'm definitely down to tell you guys or anything like that, because at the end of the day, knowledge is key, man. And I feel like if you guys know how to do this, you can do it yourself, save yourself some money. But at the end of the day, the reason why I show what I do is because I want to show you guys what it takes, and if it's worth you doing, or if not, send it to me. I'll do it. I don't mind, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take it easy. Peace.